While a watched pot never boils, unattended cooking could quickly spark a home fire. Cooking is the leading cause of home fires in the United States, with nearly half of all home fires involving cooking equipment. And fire is fast. FSRI research shows you may have 3 minutes or less to escape a home fire. So how can you cook with care? Stay in the kitchen when the stove is on. If you leave the kitchen, even for a second, turn off the stove. Keep your cooking area clean and free from flammable items like towels, paper, and plastic. And always have working smoke alarms in your home for the earliest possible warning of a fire. Remember, any momentary lapse in attention can put you, your family, and your home at risk. Stay aware. Cook with care. For more fire safety tips, visit closeyourdoor.org.